In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and flawlessly lay a classic herringbone pattern using the 5GI locking system. Before you start working, first check the subfloor. It must be level and free of any dirt or debris. Start by connecting two planks together at the short end. Next, add more planks, locking them from above along the long side. Be precise. All edges should fit together perfectly. If needed, gently use a non-rebound hammer. Lay in the next row. Lock the panel along both short ends. Carefully use a non-rebound hammer to fully close all the locks. Remember to hit the locks, not randomly all over the panel. Add the next planks in the same way. Floor disassembly. Start unlocking the floor from the first plank with the upper locking element. Gently and close to the lock, pull the panel upward. Proceed the same way with the next planks, unlocking the floor row by row.